Have you ever had a gut feeling you couldn't explain, but it turned out to be right? That's not a coincidence. It's your intuition speaking, and the most successful people in the world rely on it daily. In this video, we'll break down how intuition really works, why it's your greatest untapped tool, and how you can train it to make smarter decisions and create a better life. Stay tuned until the end. There's a calming 1-minute meditation waiting for you. What is intuition? Intuition is inner knowing that comes without conscious reasoning. It's a subtle, powerful signal from your subconscious mind, also called gut instinct, inner voice, or sixth sense. Science supports it. The brain processes info faster than we're aware. Intuition is often your brain's fastest answer. Example: when you meet someone new and instantly feel something's off, even if they're smiling, that's your intuitive radar working. Why intuition matters in life and success. Many CEOs, athletes, creatives, and leaders credit intuition for major decisions. Intuition helps with choosing the right relationships, spotting opportunities, avoiding danger or wrong paths, feeling confident in choices. Quote, "The intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind is a faithful servant." Albert Einstein. How to develop your intuition. Here's where you go deep into practical methods. 1. Daily meditation. Quiet the mind so the inner voice can be heard. Try ask and listen style. Ask a question before meditation, and let the answer rise naturally. Over time, you'll start to notice subtle nudges and internal signals. 2. Journaling. Keep a log of gut feelings versus logic. Right. What does my intuition say about this? Track how often your instincts were correct. It builds self-trust. 3. Body awareness. Your body reacts first, stomach tightens, chest expands, goosebumps. Tune in. Does this feel light and expansive, yes, or heavy and closed, no? 4. Time in nature. Nature is a great place to reconnect with your inner guidance. Spend 10 to 15 minutes outside without distractions. Ask a question mentally and observe what thoughts arise naturally. 5. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine 2 different paths. Pay attention to which path feels better. Intuition often comes as a sense of peace or unease. Signs your intuition is working. You feel inner calm and certainty. Ideas and answers show up without force. You avoid things that felt wrong and later realize why. You start trusting your gut more than outside noise. Intuition isn't a gift for the chosen few. It's a skill you can sharpen. The more you trust it, the more accurate it becomes. Start with one technique from today's video and watch your decisions, relationships, and results shift for the better. Let me know in the comments, when was the time your intuition was right? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow your inner compass. Now let's do the small meditation.
Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Repeat these words with me when you are ready. I quiet my mind, listen to my inner voice, and trust the wisdom within me. I'm connected to my inner guidance. I trust my intuition. Clarity flows to me. My intuition speaks with love and truth. Every breath brings me closer to my highest wisdom. I release the noise. I am open to the gentle whispers of my inner knowing. My intuition is always guiding me in the right direction. My intuition is always guiding me in the right direction.